You still got the hiccups, huh?
Hello, Auntie Sherry. I have the hiccups. I keep eating and eating, and I'm getting chubby. Chubbier and chubbier.
Oh, I got a little smile on there. That's cute. Thank you. Next time I'll ask, okay?
Chubby and chubbier and chubbier, and I'm gonna look like this.
What are you doing to my child?
Making him into a hand puppet.
Oh, okay. Hiccup time.
Still got the hiccups there, buddy.
Well, the family meal was whatever the price it was. Yeah, the 8-piece meal, so I told him, hey, do that. Oh, you want free cake? If you buy one,
Don't seem to bother him too much.
This price over here.
Yeah?
You know, you get a free cake. I said, oh, $2.
This lighting makes him look weird.
I
don't know. It's like weird Google lighting.
Okay, how's that? Give me a cake.
That's better. That's more like a regular baby then.
So you said, do you want a lemon cake or chocolate? Or you said, are you seriously asking that?
I like lemon cake in the summer. It's good. It makes him smile a little. That's why it's cute. His hiccups, I know, they're so cute. It doesn't seem to like bother him. He's just like, I can't stop. I think he thinks they're normal now.
Did they stop? Nope.
Oh.
There it is.
Yeah, the other one quick to catch up.
Look at him staring so intently at you.
It sound
Yeah.
good.
What?
Does it get sound also?
Yeah.
All right. This is the hiccup monster, the little hiccup
Oh,
man.
great. Now he's